Okay, good day to all science students, especially grade 8. This is now the day 3 of week 1 for unit 1, how the digestive system works with other systems. For lesson objectives, describe how the digestive system cooperates with other body systems like the excretory and circulatory systems. Create a model by means of drawing, clay, or recycled materials showing the digestive system and its connection with another system, and demonstrate concern for bodily health through positive attitudes toward system care and maintenance. For the activities, systems in sync, building a working body. For our instructions, number 1, review your lessons on the digestive, circulatory, and excretory system. Number 2, choose one body system that interacts with the digestive system. So, pipili lang kayo dito sa circulatory o kaya ay excretory kung paano sila nag-interact sa digestive system. So, use any of the following materials. So, pili lang po kayo dito kung alin yung pinaka madali sa atin. Pwede yung clay, pwede yung recycled boxes, string, paper, or drawing. You may draw your model on a poster. Make sure your model clearly shows the digestive system and either the circulatory system or the excretory system interrelationship. So, pipili kayo dyan sa dalawa. For example, ano ang kaugnayan ng heart saka ng blood vessel sa digestive system? O kaya naman, ano ang kinalaman ng kidneys and bladder which are parts of excretory system sa digestive system? So, pwede nyong, kung ano yung kaya nyong gawin dito sa mga pamilian. Pwedeng clay, magmo-mold kayo, pwedeng recycled boxes, string, paper, and drawing. So, on a short paper or label, explain how the two systems work together to transport nutrients if circulatory and remove waste if excretory. So, end your output by writing 3 ways you can take care of these body systems in real life. For example, drinking water, eating fiber, exercising. So, magbigay kayo ng 3 pamamaraan paano nyo papangalagaan itong mga body systems na ginamit ninyo dun sa inyong illustration. So, the output format, choose one. Okay, pwedeng yung binanggit natin kanina, alin dyan ang gagamitin yung pamamaraan para ma-express or ma-elaborate ang interrelationship of the other body systems to the digestive system. Kagaya ng clay model, labeled diagram or illustration, drawing, recycled material collage, poster with labeled systems. So, for our rubrics, yan. For example, accuracy of system parts. So, excellent ka kung all major parts correctly shown and labeled. Yung mga na-discuss natin na parts of the digestive system interconnected with other body system. Of kung most parts correctly labeled, 4 points. Some parts labeled but unclear, 3 points. And missing or mislabeled parts, magkakaroon lang tayo ng 2 points. Another criteria is explanation of system interaction. Clearly explain how the two systems work together. Bibigyan ka dyan ng 5 or excellent. Explains with minor errors, so 4 points. Explanation lacks clarity, 3 points. No or incorrect explanation, 2 points. So, creativity and effort. Model is detailed, neat, and creative. Siyempre, kung maganda naman yung ating model, so papasok niya sa creativity and effort. Mas mababa naman kapag model is clear and neat kumpara dun sa detailed. And ang pinaka-lowest dito is very messy or rushed. So, next criteria, health practices reflection. List 3 thoughtful, specific practices. So, kung dalawa lang naman, mas mababa ang score. And then, pinaka-mababa is practices missing or irrelevant.